What's different about running Amazon PPC for clothing products, especially with variations and seasonality? Clothing items. Those are lots of SKUs, lots of SKUs. What is different about running Amazon PPC for clothing products? What we've seen on our end, because we had brands who had clothing items, they had merged those, but they still had clothing items and they had lots of different variations. What is different is that you're going to structure it differently. Giving you an example, if you have one product, let's say that you're going to sell, nothing comes to mind that it's not a variation. Okay, you're selling the one product. And then you're also selling clothing item, which is different sizes, different colors, maybe different textures. Maybe you have a variety of winter clothing, summer clothing, spring clothing, fall clothing. So you have a ton of variations. What is going to be different between these two strategies is that for the first product that is already the product itself, you know already that, okay, I'm going to create the one campaign, I'm adding the one product. When it comes down to different clothing items, especially new campaigns, you don't know what's going to work. For the one product you are launching without variations, you create one campaign with 10 keywords maybe, and then create that campaign. For the variations item, you're going to add all the variations and you're going to scan and see how do people react and which are their preferences. Based on that, you're going to decide, okay, they like the black color in M. That's the one that's selling most, right? Now you can create a new campaign where you're going to target only that product and then increase revenue on that product alone. So that's why I'm saying that strategy is going to be a very sniper approach because that's the one product. The second strategy, whenever it's clothing item or different variations, multiple SKUs item, you're throwing everything until you have clear data on what works. And then you are going to see, okay, this is a wide net, whatever works, and then you're going to double down on whatever works. You also asked about, especially with variations and seasonality, is the exact same thing. The way I'm seeing seasonality, I'm seeing it very similar to, because we're helping brands with consumable items. The way I'm seeing seasonality is as if it's a product that is a consumable item that is about to expire and it's, this inventory that you have to move. We would strategize the same way also for products or, just a small season, like maybe for 3 months, it's going to be there.